Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about second class English. Which is lesson is this? At the zoo. Student, you see here what is this in the picture? Look at the picture. What is this? This is a zoo. What is this? This is zoo. There are which things are there? There are so many things. What are there? It is a train. What is this? Train. Chuk 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 train. The all children are happy or sad? Is they happy or sad? They are happy. You see in this picture what are these? What the things are there in picture? So many childrens, cat, dog, tiger, giraffe, lion. So many animals also have in this picture. Okay, where is it? It is a zoo. Where is it? It is zoo. Okay, children. Why are the children looking happy? Why they are happy? They are in zoo because of they are in zoo. That's why they all are very happy and exciting to see all animals. Here they all are in a train. Where are they? They are in train and they are enjoying a lot of fun. See here all are very happy faces. They are smiling, laughing and enjoying a lot. You see, what animals do you see in the picture? You find out where is the animals. Here, elephant, snake, tiger, cat, dog, giraffe, lion. Here also giraffe. The children are flying the balloons also. Okay, when you are visit a zoo, are you visit? Visit or not? Are you see the zoo? Yes, I am visited. I visited the zoo in Warangal. That is the what is that? That is zoo park. They also so many animals are there in that zoo, like tiger, lion, bear, crocodiles, and so many birds also there. Which birds? Parrots, peacock, hen, like so many birds are there. Birds and animals. Monkeys also are there. You have ever seen the monkey? In our villages also have monkeys. Okay, this is the zoo. You turn the page. Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. Who is he? He is Abhi. Who is it? What is it? It is a van. Who are there in the van? They are students. Okay, here some questions are there. Where are the children going? Where are the children going? They are going to school. Where are they going? They are going to school. What is the boy saying? Will he catch the van? What is the boy saying? Stop, stop. Who is he? Is Abhi. Who is he? Is Abhi. He was missed school van. That's why the van is moving. The Abhi is shouted, stop, stop. What is he talking with him? Okay, let us see what is he talking with him. Your teacher will tell you about the boy. Listen carefully and answer the following question. That day, Abhi is wake up not early. He is wake up late wake up. That's why he missed the bus van. Why? Because of he wake up late. He playing with Sweetie, but he did not took Sweetie with him. Why did Abhi get up early? He get up early, but he is playing with Sweetie. A lot of time to spend the Sweetie. Who is Sweetie? Sweetie is Sweetie is a squirrel. Why did Abhi not take Sweetie with him? Why did he take Sweetie? Because of he is going to school. In the school not allowed animals, only students. That's why Abhi is not taking their pet animal. Squirrel is Sweetie is Abhi's pet animal. Okay, children, read the following. Abhi goes to zoo. Where is Abhi? Abhi goes to zoo. The van was moving. Stop, stop. Salim uncle, please stop, shouted Abhi. Stop, stop. Abhi is coming, shouted the children. Salim, the van driver, stopped the van. Abhi got into the van. Lo, the van was moving, going to the zoo. Pom, pom, pom. Where were going? Going to the zoo. That day, Abhi not going to school. He is going to zoo. The van was moving. Van kadulutundi. Stop, stop. Abhi says, what? Stop, stop, Salim uncle, please stop. When Abhi was shouted, the students are in the van. They also shouted, stop, stop, Abhi is coming. Salim uncle, who is he? He is a van driver. The Salim uncle stopped the van because of Abhi is coming to van. Abhi got into the van. The van was moving. Which sound is making the van? Pom pom pom. That is the sound. Okay, students, where they going? Where are they going? They are going to zoo. Here is the zoo. Okay, children, let us go to zoo. We also. Thank you for watching.